What's up guys, my name is Marcel, welcome to my YouTube channel One Dapper Street. Today we're gonna take a look at how to look stylish this spring. I have a bunch of pieces on this rack and some on my body that I want to talk to you guys about and maybe see if you want to update a few of your classics or invest in some of the classics that you might not have in your closet already. We're gonna start from the upper body, outside, working inwards, downwards to the shoes. So I've got a bunch of things for you to look at today. Let's jump right in. First piece we've got is this single-breasted trench coat. So to me it's kind of like a hybrid between a Mac coat and a trench coat, but I personally have seen enough of the classic trench coat, the double-breasted with all that fabric. For me it's more of a fall thing. So this stone-colored single-breasted trench from Massimo Dutti is an excellent choice, I think. I tied the belt in the back together just a little bit for an even more slim silhouette, which I really like. Staying on the upper body, we got a trucker jacket, but trucker jackets are usually denim jackets, and I love denim jackets, don't get me wrong. I think all guys should have a denim jacket in their closet, but this one is just beautiful in a cream-colored corduroy. Another awesome option is this brown suede trucker jacket. Both jackets are from Mango Man. Obviously this is going to be a little bit more pricey, this one a little bit more affordable, but this is also going to offer you a little bit more warmth. We're just going into the spring season, so temperatures are still climbing up there. I think on some days you're better off wearing something like this. And speaking of the warmer days, I'm looking forward to them, and you're gonna need them for this linen suit. I think linen is something we should all embrace for the spring. It's a story where does it go? Tale as old as time. Linen's been around for a long time, but I think it's not necessarily talked about enough. I've done a video on linen, the fabric. If you don't feel like you know enough about it, check that video out right here. But this suit is from Mango Man. It's actually from last year, but don't worry, there is a bunch of options out there. I actually just got one from H&M. That's a white linen suit. That's a whole Miami look. But I'm sure if you guys want to embrace that, that's a way you can stand out this spring. Another way to stay stylish is getting a unconstructed blazer. This one actually even has a little bit of stretch in it, and it's from Massimo Dutti. I love the colors. It's a white and blue mix. The pattern is really subtle, and then we have some raw, unfinished edges on the blazer. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's easy to pull off with a white t-shirt and a pair of jeans, and it's something that will make you look classy and stand out from the crowd. In terms of shirting, I'm not gonna push you guys to reinvent the wheel, really. I just think a denim shirt or a chambray shirt should be in your closet. It's easy to pull off, and it makes you look great very quickly. Like honestly, just put it on, a nice and slim fit, it's gonna make you look great. And a white Oxford shirt, especially when styled. I'm gonna reach ahead a little bit. With a wife beater like this one's from Uniqlo for $5.90. And if you wear this underneath and then just unbutton the Oxford till around here, wear it open, tuck it in, you get a really nice like Cuban laid back summer vibe, which I think is awesome. So a simple white Oxford shirt in a nice fit is also something I recommend you invest in this spring. In terms of jersey tops, let's talk about the long sleeve t-shirt first. I think you can step it up there a little bit. You can go with a white Henley from Suit Supply like this one. Just these three little buttons make it a lot more interesting than having a regular long sleeve t-shirt. Or this sweater that I'm wearing, it's a little bit thicker, so it categorizes as a sweater. But it's got a nice color and like a little bit of marling, so it's just a little bit more interesting than a regular long sleeve t-shirt. And I think that's something that easily upgrades your wardrobe a little bit. But sticking to the classics, when it comes to a t-shirt, a sleek, sick white t-shirt should be in your closet. Find the perfect one for you, because I did the work for you. In this link right here, I checked out 12 different white t-shirts. I'm sure one of them has got to be for you, and whichever one it is, add it to your wardrobe because you're gonna need it this spring to look fly as hell. A little extra note on the wife beater. I hate that name to begin with, but on a white ripped tank top, maybe don't wear just that. It has to be really stylized for it to work. If you're looking for a tank top, go with something like a jersey fabric, basically like a t-shirt just with the sleeves cut off. I think it makes for a better look, but if you're styling it proper, this can definitely be something amazing for the summer, even just to wear underneath what you're wearing, because a lot of people think you should layer less when it gets hot out, but this is the first line of defense. This is what's gonna soak up the sweat if you start sweating. So undershirts, whether you use them as a style item or functionally, are really important to have in your wardrobe. Now, three bottoms I want to talk about. The ones I'm wearing, a pair of raw denim jeans. These are from Club Monaco. I love them. I think you should have a pair in your closet, whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter. And then you got white jeans, You guys know I love white jeans. These are from Zara. I actually just copped them so you can see they're actually, the tag is still on. Just a simple couple of rips on the knees, which I think makes them look a lot more interesting. Don't be afraid to wear white. I know it can be a little daunting, but if you subscribe to this channel, which if you're not already, you should do it. I think I can show you enough inspiration on how to rock a pair of white pants so you can do it confidently as well. And lastly, we have a pair of 5-pocket cotton pants. Their aesthetic is just a little bit different than Chinos, and honestly, I'm a little bit over Chinos. I prefer wearing these, so basically they're like somewhere in between a Chino and a pair of jeans, but they're a little bit more classy than jeans and a little bit more wearable than Chinos or versatile. And a color like this in earth tones I think is gonna have you set up for the spring, because I personally like going with a lot of whites and like combining something like that even with the sneakers, which we're gonna talk about next, just works really well. Now, last category we're gonna take a look at is footwear. As you guys know, I have my own brand called Ankari Flores, and we just launched our new collection, including these beautiful Chelsea boots. I think a pair of Chelsea boots should be in your closet, honestly. At this point, I don't really care how old you are either anymore. Like, if you're older than like 17, 18, I think you can rock them, because Chelsea boots are so endlessly versatile. You can dress them down, you can dress them up. With a colorway like this, I think you're really safe for the spring, and I personally just love suede. So does my business partner, so a lot of our collection is suede, like these. Our classic Saturday sneaker, but in this beautiful teal color, also a suede fabric. If you're keeping the outfit fairly simple and minimal, something like that will add an incredible pop to your outfit and make it look just 1,000 times better. It's something that's so simple where you really, if you put the focus on the shoes, you can almost distract from how simple the rest of your outfit is and still just look great. If that's a little bit too much for you, you can also go with a classic white sneaker like these ones. That's our classic Ankari Flores Saturday sneaker, which we updated so we have a little bit of a thicker sole now, and we just made them a little bit more comfortable. And I know I'm gonna be living in these, and you're gonna be seeing a whole lot of them on this YouTube channel as well, because white sneakers are probably the most versatile thing you can have in your closet when it comes to footwear. Last note on the sneakers I'm wearing right now, this is our skater sneakers, so kind of like a classy skateboard shoe that I have worn with a suit before, that you can wear with jeans like I'm wearing right now. I just like the combination of the leather and the suede. And we have a few different colors there too, and a few monochromatic options for you guys to check out. So that's pretty much it. Now I want to know if you guys want to see me put some looks together with these pieces and maybe add in a few or change out so I can actually make the looks, because I didn't think about making looks for this video. But I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the first and foremost thing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, like I said, if you're not already, because there's a bunch more spring content coming now that the seasons actually are changing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper. Bye. You can do it! Alright, one more time. What's up, guys? My name is Marcel. What's up, guys? Alright, I can do this.